Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Black Myth Wukong game, lagging problem or any kind of racing issues. I will show you guys the different methods so you can apply them one by one and this will fix your problem definitely. Guys, first you have to simply restart your PC. Sometimes flash restart will fix your problem because all the resources that will running on your PC cause a lot of CPU usage or the RAM usage. So after the flash restart, now we are moving to our solution. You can right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. And guys, once you open that, now go to the startup on the top. And guys, here you will see all the application that will run on your PC when you start your PC and cause the lot of CPU usage, RAM usage, or the lot of bandwidth usage. Here you can see I have already disabled this application because this application will consume a lot of bandwidth or the RAM. So all you need to do is just disable all of this application. Just right click on that and simply click on the disable. Now guys, we are going to increase our RAM that will fix our any kind of issues. So our space is used instead of our RAM. Go to the Windows setup at the view advanced system setting and here you will see the advanced and just click on the settings you are seeing under the performance. And once you click on the setting, now here in this tab you will see the advanced tab. Here just click on, they are showing on the second, click on the change. And now here you can uncheck this box or the automatically manage paging file size and select the disk where your operating system is installed and click on the custom size. After you done that, now go to the Windows tab at the calculator and simply open it. And guys, here in the calculator, we are going to calculate our memory that we can type in the initial size or the maximum size. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and then you can type this value in the initial size. After you done that, guys, now you can multiply this value with the 3, and once you multiply it with the 3, then you can type this value in the maximum size. And guys, this memory is used instead of your RAM. If your PC, if your game will use high resources, so this memory will use instead of your RAM. If you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024, type in the initial size, multiply it with the 3, and type in the maximum size. Then simply click on the set, click on the OK, then simply apply this, click on the OK. Now guys, fresh restart your PC and after the restart, your problem is fixed. And I hope guys one of the solution work for you and your problem is fixed, which is the lagging or any kind of shuttering. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is the only motivation for me and I will see you guys in the next video.